Welcome back to MYK Reviews. The 2025 Acura Integra Type S is a high-revving love letter to driving enthusiasts. A sporty liftback that blends everyday usability with pure, unfiltered fun. It's Acura's way of reminding the world that performance doesn't need to come at the expense of practicality. Visually, the Integra Type S means business. Aggressive front air intakes, wider fenders, triple center-mounted exhaust tips, and a pronounced rear diffuser all signal this isn't your average commuter car. It's muscular yet refined, with functional aerodynamics and enough attitude to make a Civic Type R glance nervously in the rearview mirror. And yes, it still rocks the liftback shape for hatchback practicality. Step inside and the cabin balances sportiness with refinement. Heavily bolstered front seats, red contrast stitching, and aluminum trim set the tone, while a 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster and a 9-inch touchscreen keep things modern. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a premium ELS studio audio system. It's a driver-focused cockpit that doesn't skimp on comfort or tech. Under the hood, the 2025 Integra Type S uses the same turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine found in the Civic Type R. It delivers a potent 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, sent exclusively to the front wheels through a slick-shifting 6-speed manual transmission. No CVT, no automatic, just 3 pedals and pure engagement. The suspension is retuned for performance, featuring adaptive dampers and a wider track for sharper handling. The Type S hugs corners with confidence, aided by sticky 19-inch summer tires and upgraded Brembo brakes. Acura tuned the chassis for road and track alike, and the result is a composed, agile ride that never forgets it's a hot hatch at heart. Driving modes, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus let you dial in throttle response, steering feel, and suspension firmness to suit your mood. But no matter the setting, the Integra Type S feels alive, quick to respond, and endlessly tossable. It's the kind of car that makes even the grocery run feel like a victory lap. Despite its performance edge, the Integra Type S is still practical. The rear seats fold flat, cargo space is generous thanks to the hatch design, and visibility is solid. It's a true dual-purpose machine, track day ready, yet perfectly at home in the daily grind. Fuel economy sits at an estimated 21 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway, which is respectable for the power it delivers. Pricing starts around $52,000, making it a performance bargain compared to European rivals. The 2025 Acura Integra Type S proves that performance and practicality can peacefully coexist and even thrive when done right. This is the enthusiast's daily driver, reborn.